I would have been smart to pull the truck up past it, cut it, then threw it in the truck. Note to self. All right, we cut that little birch tree down there because that thing was hanging out over the road, and it was fixing to mess my truck up coming through there. So we got rid of that. I've got two black cherry trees. This one and that one are black cherries, and these right here are black gum, or also called black tupelo trees. They are in my way, not necessarily so much that one, but it's leaning pretty hard. There's another black cherry right straight across the road here back to my left right here, that I'm going to leave that one. But these, especially these outside two, this little gum and that black cherry right there, they kind of mess with almost hitting my mirror on my truck whenever I drive my truck back here. And I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but I've got a road cut in here that you can go right between those trees and circle around, come right back out here. And when you get here in my truck, as long as it is, I have to do the 21-point turn. It's not hardly 21 points, but I have to pull out, then back up and get going more at an angle and turn. And those trees right there are in my way when I'm cutting my angle, because I'm having to swing out around these to miss that. So they're almost getting my mirror coming in, and my front end barely misses them when I come in. or when I'm going out. So I'm going to cut them. I meant to cut that tree. You can see it in my mirror. That tree is right against my truck. I probably need to cut that one. Meant to cut that one and didn't. It's that tree right there, the one that's right against my truck. I'll just have to get higher uphill before I turn, and the next time that I'm back here I will bring the saw with me and I'll cut it. I'm not going to fool with it today. I've got it far enough away from the truck now. It's a workout turning around back here. See how close it's getting. But it's not going to hit it now, not this time. I've got, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches there now, which is a lot for driving back in here. There's a big rock on this side that I can't do anything with. I don't have anything to get it out of the ground with. I actually cut this road back here. I cut every bit of this by hand with that chainsaw we just used. I cut every bit of this out. And it's about a, I don't know, somewhere in the neighborhood of 7 to 8, maybe even 900 feet altogether, all of it. But it's a pretty good road. I've still got a few trees that I need to trim off the edge just to widen it just a little bit, just to make it safer. And I just hadn't took the time to do it yet. I'm back at the house now, and I'm going to unload this wood and call it a day. If you don't care, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, ring that bell, and if you got anybody that you think that might be interested in this type of content, try a share. We'd love it if you'd share it. Till next time, thanks for watching.